Karen invests $4,300 into an account that grew to $32,000 over a period of 15 years, assuming that the interest in the account is compounded monthly. What is the annual interest rate of the account? For the results as a percentage rounded to the decimal places. A, so identify that it's the 32,000, and then P, which is how much you invest initially. That's going to be 4,300. N is equal to 12 because it's 12 times per year. That's what it means monthly. And then T is 15. So identify your values and then plug them into the basic formula. So in this formula here, and then solve for R. So you're going to have 32,000 is equal to 4,300. And then let's see, 1 plus R. R over N is 12. And then up to, oops, the 12 times 15. And then you just have to solve for R. So it's going to be between 32,000 and 4,300. You can divide 100 away. So you're going to have 320 is equal to 43. And then 1 plus R over 12 is equal to 180 up there because it's 12 times 15. And then bring the 43 over. So it's going to be 320. Yeah. Over 43 is equal to 1 plus R over 12 raised to the 180th. Now, somehow we have to get rid of that 180th. Well, the way to do that is, since we are raising to the 180th, let me just cancel this. You need to just reverse that to basically exponentiating to the 1 over 180th. So it's going to be like this, 3/20th over 43 raised to the 1 over 180. Yeah, and then do the same thing on the right side there also. So it's going to be 1 plus R over 12 raised to the 180 times 1 over 180. Then they cancel off on the right side because 180 times 1 over 180 is 1. So you're going to have 320 over 43 raised to the 1/180th. Yep. And then it's going to be, let's see, 1 plus R over 12. So subtract 1. So it's going to give you 320 over 43 raised to the 1/180th. Do that step at the end in the calculator. Don't do it now. And minus 1 is equal R over 12. And then the multiplicable sides by 12. So it's going to be 12 bracket. And then 3/20th over 43 raised to the 1 over 1/180th minus 1 is equal to R. Punch this into a calculator, the entire expression in one fell swoop. So R is about 0.1346, which then tells you as a percent that it's about 13.46%. And this is how you do this question. Please leave a like,